Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I do know what's in here. Oh boy, I am very excited to check this out. Thanks so much to Tactile Knife Co for sending this in for me to take a look at. I'll make sure that there are links down below where you guys can check out their knives. There's something special in here, but we'll get into that here in a second. Thanks so much to my patrons who are supporting me. Link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's get into this box. I think you guys will like this one. This is, so what we're getting into today, I should be smarter about that as I cut towards myself. This is a variant of something that you guys have seen before. Yes, okay. I think it's a variant that you will very much like. These are popular, right? The Tactile Knife Co. Knives. In this case, a... Kinked hose noises. Sorry about that. These are custom Rockwells. Oh my god, the polish on that tie. Ooh, this is sick. Oh, let's look at the blade, shall we? That's nice. Yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm a big fan of that. I like a high polish. Definitely. And the fact that now, so this is a flipper version of the Rockwell, but we have, to my understanding, we have a Damasteel blade, a Damasteel backspacer, and then a high polished tie. God, this looks really good. That high polished tie. I mean, yeah, the high polish on the blade. Absolutely, absolutely. But that high polish on the tie, look at this. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Sorry, my Nick Shabazz came out there. Yeah. Oh man, that is super cool. My camera's having trouble focusing on it. See what's happening here? Because of the light and the texturing? Come on now. Camera, work with me. We're trying to display this. Oh, that is good. Yeah, that's good. I do like a high polish. Yeah, look at the freaking Damasteel pattern. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's good. We have, look at this milling on the inside, beautiful. The blue ano on the hardware, and just a real big, gigantic fan of that high polish on the tie. That is about as good as I've ever seen that look. There are very few companies who do the polish and the texturing exactly right, and this is a great example of that. Oh man, holy tomatoes. I'm sorry, I'm having trouble coming up with nouns to say after holy, because yeesh, man, that is sick. Oh, the action is also great. So I have a Rockwell thumb stud edition, which, you know, I prefer over the flipper version, but the flipper version is awesome because it's not a frame lock. It's not an exposed frame lock, which would have been not super great on this very narrow frame, right? This works just fine, but I just prefer the thumb stud version. But this is gorgeous. Man, spectacular, spectacular, very beautiful. So it's my understanding, how do we get those? Tell us! It's my understanding they'll have some for Blade Show, which you guys will probably be seeing. You'll see this video before Blade Show occurs. So if you're planning on going, they have a few, is what he told me. But yeah, as soon as I saw this, I said, yeah, I really want to look at that. I really, really want to look at that. I don't know if I'll do a full video on this. I'm not sure that it needs to, but I think it's cool to showcase, because these are USA guys. I think it's cool to showcase what they're capable of, like when they do a custom, version of these knives. Really spectacular. That is just gorgeous looking. Wow. All right. To the folks at Tactile, thank you so much for sending this in for me to take a look at. Those are always fun. When I forget how to breathe and talk, and you know, I start trying to like breathe out of my ears and talk out of my nose, like it just doesn't. Everything just shuts down, right? So it's always a fun experience for me. It doesn't sound like a fun experience, but it is, right? I just like seeing stuff that's just so perfectly, like everything here looks like this. It's all supposed to go together. Very beautiful. So anyways, links for Tactile stuff right down below. I don't think they're going to have this available anywhere before Blade Show. But you know, should get you excited for what they're capable of doing. I think we should all take note of that. It's already really cool, right? The models that they do are already really cool. This is just a few steps further, I think. So anyways, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. That was fun. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.